ano.
Just hold. Wala akong clerical so ditang, I mean support healers, be careful. Guys, wag kayo sa southwest pareho lahat, but pwede naman kayo mag-north. Everybody, ready? Defense. Defense, ready? On my pool. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on my pool. On the choke. Drop everything on the choke. Then come southeast. Oh, go northwest. Gago, namatay yung dalawa ko. Ano to? Ano yun? Nag-headbutt sila. Just hold. Defense. Di nag-headbutt. Heal my tanks. Ano yun? What happened to my DPS? Naisa, ba't namatay agad yun?
Dalawa engage nila?
Hindi, isang
May bomb
engage
sila
lang
pa
yun.
eh. May bomb talaga sila.
Bomb yun yung una, oo.
Bomb yun?
Bomb
Ilan
yun,
namatay na? Gago, 3 agad namatay. Awit.
Patay agad, sikit na yun.
Ako buti smuggler ako.
Ready? We try to headbutt
Nag-invi.
Be careful.
Wala pa.
Ay, tangina, nag-drop ng demon. Tangina.
Burrito cosplayer ka, ba't kita ka-demon? Hello?
Wala sa mapa, sorry.
Just hold. Ay, gago, nagigaw ulit. Just spread. South is 5, 4, 3, just shallow, 2, 1, just shallow on my crown, east.
Walk in sila,
Go north. No, come southeast. Papiapas, come southeast and get your cooldowns. Come southeast.
You're getting back. Can you help me?
Be ready. North. My crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Shoot one top. Gago, namatay na ako isang healer. Kupal, poking ng ina. Ba't nangyari sa atin, guys? Come southeast. Ang bagal nyo gumalaw. Come southeast. Step. No. Hilil. Come south a bit. Get your cooldowns again. Be ready. Northwest. Tip, northwest.
CD.
4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest, dip. CD pa rin. Come southeast again. Come southeast. Give me night timers on the choke. And be careful. Give me night timers on the choke. Be careful, they're walking in. Go east. Occult east. Get your cooldowns. Occult east. Step.
Engage na sila.
Step west. Everybody counter west. No. North. Michael. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just inside. Gago, dami lang engage. Come northwest. Ano yun? Ba't dalawa engage yun? Come northwest. Ilan ba bomb nila?
Hati-hati kami, Arsen. Dami namin yung
Just hold. Go. Just go northwest. Step. Walk in muna. Wala na sila engage. Dalawa engage sila, poke ng ina. Ba't ano?
Engaging ulit. Careful Meron na.
Be careful.
May CD yung bomb nila. May CD bomb nila.
Be careful. Just hold. Heal my southeast. Heal. Nahati talaga, boss. Go na, step. May damage pa ba tayo? Wala na akong damage sa part.
We can hit inside if you want one more.
Come west. Come southwest. Kahit muna tayo. Come southwest. Wala ba akong kukul? Come southwest. Go kite for now. Dalawang engage yun? Just kite for now. Or may bomb talaga sila. Kite for now. What's infernal sila? Come southwest. Be ready, north is shallow on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my crown now. Inside. Can we split?
Nag-impisa yung yung...
Come south. Pwede ba kayo mag-rigger? Kung kaya nyo mag-rigger. Come south. Kite. We full kite. Come southeast. We full kite. Mag-rigger kayo. Come southeast. We full kite for now. Be careful inside. Just inside. Come south. Just inside my crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just inside. Then come southeast. Pass. They're walking in. Come southeast. Step. Heal. Go southeast. Down the choke. Go south down the choke and cleanse. Keep cleansing.
Bridal charging southeast.
Come again. No. Nice. They failed. Come southeast. Nag-fail ba sila o namatay? May namatay. Come southeast. Keep walking southeast.
Bridal nila southeast natin Pero na-push out ko.
Just spread. Come southeast. Pwede pa ba kayo mag-rigger? Come southeast. Come southeast, go southeast, guys. Keep walking southeast. Step. Demon, we're still winning. Just hold. Come to, keep kiting lang. Keep kiting for now. Kamis. Keep kiting. Okay na. Ba't may mga brawlers sila? Sabi na, full crop. Come notice. May naiiwan na naman sa taas. Come notice. Kahit mo na. Ikot mo na tayo. Waiting for engage kung kaya nyo.
Can I get heals? Hello?
Pinil mo na
Inside?
pile side. Go north. Dish that mob, or you will die. Come north. Occult north, please. Occult north. Keep cutting. Be careful south. Just throw heals on my south. Keep cutting north. North, not northeast. North. On the camp. Keep cutting. North. Keep cutting. Just kite. We chill. We're still healthy. Come north. Marami pa tayong healers. Just hold. Come north. On the choke. Just keep cutting on the choke. Come northwest. Yung bridal na nasa front. Yung bridal na.
Hindi bridal.
Hindi pin bridal ah. Just hold. Go northwest. Keep cutting northwest. Tap. Keep cutting. Nag-MP bridal. Nice one. Good shit. Keep cutting.
Sila box pa engage siya.
Kamas. Wala na sila bump cut. Kamas. Come southwest.
Pero may mini bump pa sila.
Come southwest. Keep cutting. We're cycling around. Wala akong...
Water bridge. Southwest bridge. Not SE. SW.
Southwest. Mag-iikot na lang tayo dito para tayo manghungang. Ba't may brawlers sila? Ano yun? Come southwest. Sabi niya full club. Come southwest. Come south. Go south. Sino naman na namatay?
Ako. Nahirapan na ako mag-pick.
Kasi nandun pa rin.
Na yan sila.
Asan na Riggers? May Riggers near? Is may Riggers near?
Nasa
Rise.
portal kami nag-petom eh. Sana pala
Ako muna ang
Dapat
right.
portal lang pala tayo. Kala ko kasi kaya yun eh. Pero nabigla kasi ako sa dalawang engage. Keep cutting. We're cycling around. Same positions lang. My tanks, be careful. Same positions. Come south. Water bridge ulit. Water bridge. Ito.
Yung bridal na nandito.
Come southeast. Nasa yung bridal. Sabihin niyo pag nag-inbi yung bridal.
Nasa southeast, nawala sa screen ko. Baka nag-inbi na.
Come
Back lang ah.
southeast. Kamis.
Bedrock na
Ayun,
nagkakat tayo ah.
Kamis. Everybody inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this bomb squad. On this bomb. Then kamis. Come notice. Go notice. Keep cutting lang notice. Occult notice. Pop your pots. Be careful. They're ready. Defenses. Go north. No. Come southwest. Paano tayo mararanto na dito? Come southwest. Tap! Wala na. Everybody get out. Dalawa engages nila.
Humihinga. Royal Jacket.
Nahirapan ako huminga doon. Get out. May battlement. Get out.
Night. Can you peel?
Magpipil ako.
Papil sa SE Night. Papil. Naka 7 MP ako. Sayang eh.
May gear pa. Kita tayo.
Hindi na.
Balik na ang portal ah.
Arsen, yung sakit mo na naman, Arsen.
Bakit, bossing?
Dati mo pinapa-walk-in kasi alam mo naman bingot yung half ng tao dito. Pag pina-walk-in mo,
Hindi
hati
kami
na
doon.
naman lagi.
Get out.
Patay lang sa likod.
Oh, mahati na naman.
Pet cop tayo.
Yun nga yung mali ko din. Tapos dalawa pala yung engages nila. Ewan ko kung dalawa yung engages nila o isa lang.
Dalawa na puro...
Dalawa yung gauge nila. Nung pina-walk-in mo, di ba, na-absorb natin. Tapos pina-walk-in mo, doon tayo naipit choke.
Oo. Mali
Patay tayo
ko.
O yung nakita, yung pangalawang engage, yung iba, umatras.
Oh, tapos yung iba
Sige na,
naman
dito
nung
mo, Loy.
pina-walk-in mo na, sobrang